Welcome back. In our previous series, I wrote a very long formula, and I told us that in the next series, I'll be showing us how to derive that formula using combinatorial theorem. Please, don't mind the English. What is most important is understanding the concept. So, if you have watched my video on combination and permutation, you will understand this very well. So I'm just going to derive an extract from it. Now, if you can recall very well, we say that if you have n combination R, that the formula is n factorial over n minus R factorial R factorial. That is the formula for combination. Of course, that of permutation, n permutation R, is n factorial over n minus R factorial. So the difference is just that at the end of the day, this is the same thing as this, but the difference is this R factorial added to combination. Okay, how do we make use of this? If I have 3 combination 2, for instance, this is equals to, have you seen n factorial? That will be 3 factorial over 3. That is n factorial over n minus R. That will be 3 minus 2 factorial. Then R factorial, which is 2 factorial. So if you evaluate this, you have 3 factorial over 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial, then 2 factorial. To simplify this, you expand the numerator. Remember, 3 factorial means 3 times 2 times 1. All over 1 factorial is the same thing as 1 times 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So 2 and 2 will go. Of course, 3 times 1 is 3 over 1 times 1 is 1, which is 3. It's as simple as that. So if I want to evaluate, say 5 combination 3, this will be 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial 3 factorial, which means 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial, then 3 factorial. In expanding this, I'll write 5 times 4 times 3. Since I have 3 factorial at the denominator, I can stop here and put factorial all over 2 factorial, 3 factorial. Why did I stop? Because I've seen 3 factorial at the denominator. Of course, you know that this is the same thing as 3 times 2 times 1. This one is also 3 times 2 times 1, which they will cancel out. So the same thing here, they will go. So I'll be left with 5 times 4 all over 2 factorial means 2 times 1, which is the same thing as 2. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. 2 times 5 is 10. That is how to use this formula to evaluate problems. Now,
Mathematics tutorial with Emma Johnny.